Someone recently commented, are you looking at the chords from a sheet or an iPad? You don't even look like you're looking at the chords. The answer is yes and no. So I thought it'd be a really good topic to explore. Some of you may want to know how I went from glued to glancing. If you're using a page like this is exactly where we start. It has everything you need, the lyrics, the chords, the structure of the song. You don't want to be reading the song, you want to be playing the song. Let's take this as an example. You've got 4 chords, but you'll see that they repeat in different patterns. So it's about recognizing the patterns, learning the patterns, practicing it off the page.
Oh yes.
And then putting it all together so that when you come to perform the song, you're just glancing. So start with learning the chords in your left hand. Can you transition them properly? Can you land them on the beat? If you can't, you need to practice those chord changes until you can get the rhythm and the flow of the song. Simplify your right hand. Play up to the level of your own skill. If you can master a strum pattern and transition without having to stop the flow of the song, that's great. If your transitions aren't there, choose a simpler song, maybe a 2-chord song, something like Dreams, so you can just keep that song moving. Let's move on. Let's use the example of Let It Be. You have a C, a G, A minor, F. That's the first chord pattern. Simplify your strum if you have to. First beat of the bar is fine. Do 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 da 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 da. Let it be. Maybe just bring the let it be's in. Do 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 ba 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 da ba da da. So you're going to add in the do do do, the ba ba ba. So you're not really thinking about lyrics just yet and confusing yourself. What you're going to do is build. And the reason we do that is so that we can practice the phrasing, which is how the voice sits with the rhythm. It's not about memorizing every single thing on the page. It's about taking sections or chunks of the song, working on those, and then putting them all together. So you break it down, you simplify, and then you build it up again. So that's what glued to glancing is.